Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of August the 27th through September the 2nd, 2021. Now these deals are valid at Giant, but they also might be valid at Stop and Shop and Martin's. A lot of times we have the same deals, but not always. Or some weeks we'll have them and the next week you guys will. So it just depends, but make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store if you're one of the shoppers from those stores, just to make sure. So let's go ahead and get into the breakdowns. So the 5-point freebie this week, I have a video on how to do that. These were a little tricky to find, but they were in the candy aisle, not at the cash registers. And this is actually like for people that are on keto or maybe diabetic anyway. So I didn't realize that. But anyway, I did find those. So 5-point freebie, I have a video on how to do that. I will link it in the description box below if you've never done that. The cook in a bag, if you use 350 of your points, you can get one of these, which I think is a pretty good value because they are almost 2 pounds. This is the regular cost of it. So for $3.50, that is a decent deal. So I'll probably end up throwing this in the crock pot or the Instant Pot, and that's going to be delicious. Now, I did see there was a whole chicken. It was like a $25 or $26 value that I really wanted to get. My store didn't have it, even though it said online that they did. So that also, your 350 points should attach to that really large chicken. That was my plan. So it's definitely more meat on that. But anyway, there's a lot of different items included. It was found in the meat department. They had a small section close to the Nature's Promise stuff. And that's where I was able to find this in my store anyway. So 350 points is a really good deal for the cook in a bag. I came across this display. Now, it said $1.50, but I kind of had my doubts that this barbecue 4th of July looking stuff was $1.50. So I scanned it with the price checker. It's an app. It's the Giant Scan and Go, but I only use it to price check. But anyway, so they were ringing up at 37 cents. A friend of mine, this is her kitchen theme, so she's going to get some of this for her birthday at 37 cents. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video and see this. I doubt it. Okay, so here we go with the Kellogg's deal. Buy 4, save $6 instantly. I went ahead and grabbed these jumbo snacks. They were $5.49. There was a $2 digital coupon that attached to that. I grabbed one of these frosted mini wheats, little bites. You can get this kind, the regular kind, or it's also available in like cosmic brownie cereal, but I didn't see that. So there was a $1 digital on that one, and then honey smacks. I absolutely love these. You could get a different kind if you wanted. However, on the Kellogg's Family Rewards website, I was able to print 2 75 or 70 cent off of one. I printed both of them. They did both double for me. I completely forgot that I did have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So one of those did beep, but it went through okay. Of course, the cashier had to approve it, but just so you're aware of that, if you have the $1 off 2 digital coupon, it's going to notify them that you already used a coupon. So I forgot about that. But anyway, for me, it was $2.86 for all 4 items, or only 72 cents a piece. I didn't write this down, but the Goldfish are $2.50 at buy one, get one free. So it makes it $1.25 a piece. And that is a stock-up price, in my opinion, for my home. So I had a little issue with the all. I did post a story on Instagram. If you want to follow me, it's mama_made_couponer. I sometimes will post things over there that I don't do on YouTube. So the all is $3. There is a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that showed up this morning, and then Ibotta is giving back $1.50. It's a limit of 5. Now the packs weren't coming up on my receipt. It was only reading the liquid from what I could tell on my receipt on Ibotta. So I even scanned them, and it said, okay, well, we're going to give you $6 back because it's $1.50 on each. But then when it sent my receipt, it didn't do that. So I had to contact them again. I don't know, Ibotta's being tricky. I even scanned the barcodes and it said it was approved and it's submitted for 4, but check your receipts when you're submitting because they're tricky. Now, you could just do the deal twice and pay $1 if you want to use the digital coupons. If you have insert coupons, there's $2 on the liquid and there's $2 on the packs and $1.50 on the liquids. Those are a limit of 1. I didn't try and see if you can use 2 at a time and see if it beeped. I didn't even try that, but just so you know, they do say limit of 1 on there. So for the insert coupons, it was a moneymaker of 50 cents. When Ibotta gives me the correct amount back. So just be aware of that. Ibotta was a little tricky with me on the packs. The chi-chis are bogo. It's tortillas or salsa, $1.59 for the cheaper ones here. Makes them only 80 cents a piece. The last deal here is on the dairy products. It's spend $15, get back $5. I also didn't include it on here, so it ended up being a moneymaker, but I also had a earn points back when you spend $15 on certain dairy products. So, or I'm sorry, it was $10 on dairy products. So I ended up getting an extra 50 choice points back. So this deal was being tricky. There was 2 different things that were happening. When I was doing it online, a lot of times when it's the spend deals, I will add things digitally online to see how the digital coupons are going to work with the instant savings. Because majority of the time, digital coupons do not affect the spend amount. However, with this deal this time, it was affecting it. I was trying to use the $1.50 digital coupon on the Chobani oat. And I also was trying to get the Chobani probiotic, which in store, my store was out of it. So it was not, and then the Sargento has a $1 digital coupon. It was not allowing me to get the $5 instant savings until my total was $15 before or after coupons. So that's how this deal was working digitally. 9 times out of 10, if it's digitally like that, it's not going to work in store. So I didn't want to test it and mess up. I mean, that's $5. That's a big savings there. And these all ended up being free. So it got me over the amount anyway. So just to let you know, I had to change my plan. I was going to grab the Chobani probiotic because there's checkout 51 and Ibotta. It was going to make it a moneymaker. I wasn't going to get 2 of these. And then I was going to get the Chobani Zero because we have Ibotta rebate. We also have checkout 51. I think it's $1.75 on 3. However, digitally, it was not showing up as being included in this deal. It says it in the ad, but it wasn't working digitally. So you can try that if you want. If you want to be brave enough and try it and it works, let us know. But digitally, the Chobani Zero was not working. It is a better deal, but it wasn't working. So, okay, so enough of that. Here's the breakdown that I did that still worked out pretty good. Spend $15, save $5 instantly. I grabbed 2 of the Sargento string cheese at $3.33. I used $1 digital and I had $1 printable. I'm not sure if it's still available. I did print that a week or 2 ago. I grabbed 2 of these shamrock swirled at $2.50. I did this last week and the rebate finally came back for me. It is under beverages, not dairy. So I was able to get $1.50 back 2 times on Ibotta for that. So it makes us only $1 a piece if you want to just grab those by themselves. The Chobani singles were only $1. I did contact Chobani. They're really good. Every month you can contact them and they mail you coupons. I used 2 of the 50-cent coupons that doubled, and then I had a free one. This is a coupon for a free single. Now that one does beep and call for the self-checkout lady to come over, or guy, whatever you have there working for you. So they do have to approve that and type in the amount. And then Ibotta is giving back $1 off of 3. So right there, those 3 are actually completely free if you had those coupons and you contacted them. The Chobani oat milk is $3.49. Be careful that you don't grab the, I think it's 0 sugar, because that's always $3.99, and a lot of times it's not included in this sale. So just watch that as a warning. I have done that before and messed up. There's $1.50 digital. Ibotta is giving back $1, and then checkout 51 is also giving back $1.50. So for me, it was a cost of 15 cents for all of these products, but I got back 50 choice points, which is equal to 50 cents. So anyway, guys, some really good deals, just a few things to watch out for, so make sure you're checking up on those. If you have any additional deals you would like to share with us, feel free to do so in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.